It's a pretty easy one.
It's a really nice song.
It's a good song, and it's all about swimming in the ocean.
We're at the painting studio.
Let's go. So guys, this is the painting studio. We have everything from oil paints, acrylics, all of it, okay? Look at everybody starting up their final projects. Media room, yeah.
What goes on here?
YouTube animation.
Everything. All the computers are here. We have Adobe, all the Adobe stuff, so Premiere, Animate, and then we have Blender, and so this is the place where everybody comes to do their digital art, drawings, animations, 3D modeling. We got the whole shebang.
Now let's take the portal to the dark room. Okay, here's our dark room. We have two photographers working on printing. We use black and white film photography and develop it ourselves with our enlargers. Mia's a pro at the chemicals in here.
There's a good
Here's,
one.
yes, took some photos.
There's one of you.
Ooh, and there's Sarah.
Next portal.
Next portal takes us out. It's like pitch black.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Hop in.
Okay.
Printmaking.
This is the printmaking studio. So this is where you do your screen printing,
Copper etching.
lino, aqua tint, everything you can need to start printmaking. Alright. Sculpture studio. Last of the
In progress pieces and
Yeah. Doesn't look like much, but it will be very cool. And look, those are some petals for Maddie's flower project. Gonna be super cool. Well, this is a wood shop where you deal with wood. And so I've used a saw a couple times. You can saw up your stuff, use the jigsaw to make really cool pieces. Patrick usually will help get some of the wood from up here, and he teaches you how to use a lot of these big, cool machines.